Now you gone and done it, Raines.
Come on! Get the boys and get the lights! I got it! Keys, get the keys! I got him! Come on, everybody, let's go! Hurry up!
I got it.
Let's go! Go, boys! Come on! I got the light! Go! Go!
People
Oh, my God!
I guess I didn't know.
What we got?
All gone. We didn't get a single one of them, and we are talking about professionals. No visible damage to locking mechanisms, steering columns, or ignitions, and a brand new Mercedes, a car they say is unstealable.
Yeah, unless you get the laser cut transponder key sent directly to the U.S. dealer from